Hello, welcome to my beginners tutorial series on maintenance of Catcheside forged chef knives. I've designed this knife to be as simple as maintain as possible on stones for beginners, as well as tweakable and workable for seasoned knife enthusiasts. So what we have here is very uncompromising geometry and heat treatment that is equally easy for a beginner to learn how to sharpen, because the geometry is already set up for you. I'm going to show you in very short, easy steps how to maintain one of these knives. So let's just run over the equipment. Essentially, at the heart of your kit, I've got a JNS 800 and a JNS 6000. If you're on a real budget, you can leave the JNS 6 and just go for the 800, which you get nice contrast and finish on the blade road, and you can just about set a nice, if you're very careful, you can set the bevel with it as well. And a strop. This is some Japanese leather stuck to a piece of wood, and this is works as well. This is very thin leather off eBay that's coarse side up, and I use a blue polishing compound on that. But basically, a piece of leather, veg tan leather, stuck to a piece of wood. As part of the kit, I was talking to Maxim about the diamond plates. They're quite expensive, and equally as useful for maintaining the tip. So you'd use this knife with a bit of liquid, obviously, just to keep the tip in and stuff like that, or any serious damage you might have to go to this. So this is a JNS 300, so it's useful for maintenance, serious maintenance, and you can use it to keep your stone flat rather than a diamond plate, which they're about 120 quid for an Atoma one. So that's a cheaper option. So really, the bare minimum to get started is a leather strop, JNS 800, JNS 300 for maintenance and to keep your stone flat. I tend to allow mine to dish on one side because I find it useful for getting a nice finish on the blade road, and then I keep one side flat. So I'm going to show you how to tune up the edge and leave a nice finish on the blade with. And for this particular one, I'll do it with this. We'll flat the stone off with that, see how that works, and then strop. And then the next stage we'll do the optional JNS 6000, and you get better contrast as well because it's more polished into the whole edge. You get a bit better contrast as well as a sharper finish. Okay, thank you.